It different, it different, it different, it different, it different, it different, it different.
Guys, so I'm going to be reviewing two different wigs today. They are both from the Butta Lace collection. I'm going to be reviewing this one and this one. So the first one, this is how she looks in the box. The lace, I can tell already, looks really good for a synthetic wig. Let me see if I can get it out the box. I believe it is 30 inches. Ooh. Okay, this is what it looks like. Let me see if I can get it all entangled. And I got it in the color, I think, balayage caramel, because that was like the only one left, because this unit is sold out in like almost every single color possible. Just toss all this stuff on the floor. So based off first look, this looks really good. I am kind of sad that this is all the parting space that it has. I was really hoping that it had a lot more. This unit does feel extremely soft, like so soft for it to be like a human blend wig. And the part is like, I love the part already. I don't like how small the lace is. I was thinking it was going to be bigger. I don't know, maybe I didn't really look into it much, but the hair is so soft. I love it. So I'm gonna try this on after I open the second one. On this second one, I'm not liking the lace as much, even though they both are from kind of the same collection. They both have this just middle part. But I feel like the lace on this one feels rougher. The hair is really cute. Sorry for the lighting, it's like messing up. Okay. The length is nice. The hair is soft also in this one. The curls are super soft. The color is cute. I did get it in a different color on this one. That's why there's a lot of blonde. So yeah, so now I'm going to try them on. There is not a lot of parting space in the front, so we're gonna see how this goes. Because I usually don't normally purchase wigs with lace parts, like a T part like this. So we're gonna see how this goes. So this is how this one looks with the lace cut off. I do apologize if the lighting keeps messing up. I am right next to this window and my neighbor is mowing right now, so if you hear that, I apologize also. On this unit, the hair on this unit is really soft, so I really do like that. The length is really cute. It comes down to about here, so pretty much like my waist, a little bit past my waist. Is this big head friendly? I have to say, because I have a big ass head, so it's comfortable. So it's not as wide as I would want my wigs to be, because I have a really big head. I like mine to be really big. But it doesn't feel tight on my head, so it fits. I don't have this glued down at all. I am going to play with it some more. Maybe if I put some product in it to make the curls kind of more of like a wet look. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I did spray this down with a little bit of water. This is really not a bad unit. This is how the part looks. I would rate this like a 7 out of 10 for it being a synthetic. The curls are super pretty, but just the lace, and I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of synthetics. I'm still trying to get more into synthetic units, but this is not a bad unit. I definitely will wear this. Out. So now I want to try on the other one, which I'm more excited about. Okay, guys, this one is it. I love this one. I don't know why. It's so soft and it feels thicker than the other one. It feels like there's more thickness to it. Here's how the lace is looking with nothing done to it. Not bad. But I really like this one. This one is cute, and it has the little baby hairs that I might lay down. I'm gonna lay them down, yeah, because I really want to see how this looks. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna completely lay this down and see the final result. Oh wait, hold on, let me show you guys how long it comes. It comes to about here, so pretty much like the same length as the other one. It looks cute. Okay, so I'm gonna lay this down real quick and then I'll be right back. This is with the edges laid, but with no powder, like no foundation on the part. So this is what it's giving. Not bad. I actually really like it a lot. This ponytail, loving it. It's thick. It's not a thin ponytail. This ponytail is thick. I really like this a lot. I'm liking this a lot. Why is this so much shorter? I didn't even cut this. I don't know. What did I do? Okay. Okay, so I would definitely give this like an 8.5, 9 out of 10. For it being a synthetic wig, it definitely gets like a 9 out of 10. Because this is a really bomb synthetic wig. Like, this is bomb. Like, look at this. It's just so bomb. The only reason why I wouldn't rate it a 10 is because I'm picky with the part. I wish it was like a full lace frontal and not just this itty bitty. But I do wear middle parts a lot, so I definitely will be wearing this. But I just wish it had more of that versatility with the more parting space. But I really like this unit as well. Super cute. Super, super cute. Okay, so that is basically all that I have for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, still give it a thumbs up, because why not? Okay, but no, for real, I hope you guys liked the video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.